Welcome fellow fans and lovers of Chelsea FC. Kindly subscribe and like. The Chelsea stars nicely adorned graced the Ballon d'Or occasion. Although were not present at the main events theatre for some reasons, their presence were felt as they joined through an online session. The likes of Azpilicueta, Mason Mount, Lukaku, Emma, Samka, Mendy and Jorginho graced the occasion. Among the prestigious titles won, the Blues came out as being the best club of the year for their massive performance. The Spanish national professional footballer Azpilicueta came 29th for the 2021 Ballon d'Or nominees. Mason Mount also ranked 19th place for this year's Ballon d'Or, and the Belgian professional footballer Lukaku also ranked 12th on the list for helping the team Inter Milan in winning the Serie A title and also being the Serie A most valuable player. The first national professional footballer N'Golo Kante also placed fifth on the list for also helping the team win the old Italian professional footballer Jorginho also placed third among the best players for his incredible performance last season, helping Chelsea in lifting the trophy and also his contribution in the national level. Edouard Mendy as the runner-up for the Yashin Trophy for his fantastic saves last season and leading the team to win the Champions League. With the women's side Samka placing third for the Ballon d'Or, we hope for the best for the rest of the season ahead